We are now in lecture 2, part 1 of Ingram's Law. Here we're going to discuss certain portions of chapter 2, and we'll make a move into a first third of chapter 3. So, in this part 1, there's the overview of the lecture to come. We are mindful of that indeed. We're focusing on the relationship between morality and law. Democracy is the new theme that is introduced here, and the role of the judiciary becomes more and more prominent in our discussion. We are bridging chapters 2 and 3 of Ingram's Law in this lecture. We will start by laying out some versions of a general idea about the relationship between morality and law. Move on to consider Ingram's argument that democracy is the best way to think about that relationship, while also addressing the old question of why unjust laws should be followed, and why there is even a moral obligation for us to follow them. And we will consider how constitutional law and activism in the judiciary branch of the government can address the shortcomings or excesses of democracy.